What's going on, everybody? Gary B. Jr. here, your media consultant. And today we're going to go over a quick question that someone asked related to how to bring in a stage view from one FreeShow computer into another computer running FreeShow. And to do that, believe it or not, you don't start in FreeShow. There's no way in here currently, this is version 1.5.0, that you can bring up and save this. You can right click and there's no way to really export it. And that was their question. Is there a way to export my stage display? So you've got all these different features set up here. I've got this one here with the text box and the previous slide and all that good stuff. How can I bring this into another computer? And the simple answer is go to your files where FreeShow is stored. So we go to our settings and we're going to go to files and then go to data location. Wherever that is on your computer, it'll show up here, and then you select that and you'll see an option called config. And when you hit config, you will see an option called stage JSON. And so what you would do is go to that folder in your computer and drag it into the config folder on the other computer. So you would copy this out, email it to yourself, whatever it is, and then go to your other computer, which I will do now, and then you'll drag that in. So give me a second while I do that. So quick note, before we get to the other computer, you need to go on a separate Finder window and go to FreeShow, and then you will find that config and you'll see it to where they're not grayed out. And all I did was select this and I just put this into an email, send it to my other computer, or you can airdrop it if you write that close next to each other with two Apple computers. But if you're sending it to another device like a Windows computer or just in another location, just email and then actually back this same file up on a thumb drive or something like that would be the simplest. All right, back to the video. All right, so now I'm at my other computer. I emailed the stage.json file to myself and I've got it right here. So the next thing you're going to do is you're going to go into another window, which is what I have here. And instead of going to your downloads, you want to go into your documents and you're going to go to FreeShow. And let me get this arranged as columns. And you want to go to the config file. And you'll notice here that I have the stage.json here. But let's look and see what that looks like. So right now, this is the stage view on this computer. There's not much there. It's just a stage view of this. All right. Now let's look and see what it looks like if I close this out and I swap the stage views. And this is the one that is downloaded, stage.json. You don't want to do stage shows, but I'm going to pull this one out from the FreeShow folder that's currently there in the config folder. So I'm going to pull it out, and I'll just pull it out to my main area. So now there's no stage, and I'm going to bring in the one I just downloaded from the other computer, and I put that in. All right. Now we go into FreeShow, and open that up, and we will get a whole different stage. It opened up on the other side there, but it'll look like this. And this is what we wanted to get from the other computer. So instead of there just being one, there's all four of these here that we can use because they are part of this particular FreeShow now as a stage layout. So that's how I would transfer them. You could do this with a thumb drive. You could do this with an email. I would probably do a little bit of both to kind of have yourself a nice backup. But you could also put it in a Dropbox or something like that, or Google Drive. But this would be a way that you can get just those stage layouts into your other FreeShow device. All right, let's get back to the other desk. All right, so hopefully that makes sense to help you understand how to move just your stage layouts from one computer to another computer. And you're not trying to back up everything. You're just trying to move those stage displays. And make a comment down below to let me know, have you done something like this before, or do you know a better way to move your stage layouts in FreeShow? I'd love to hear about it. Thank you for watching this video. I really hope it helped you in a major way. Now, at this point, most people would ask you to like and subscribe And I think that's great. But my goal is a little bit different. My goal is to empower as many people as possible all over the globe. And there's one way that you can really help me do that. And that is to leave a comment below with a question, a thought, how this video may have helped you, or things that were left out that you still have questions about, and to share this video with someone just like you. Someone who is looking for answers, someone who's curious and wants to grow. With your help, I believe we can build a community of people that want to grow together. So until next time, God bless.